In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore your headlights using the Sonax Headlight Restoration Kit. This is an all-in-one kit with everything you need to do the job and seal it all in here. So let's get into it. The unboxing. You get the instructions there, and you have a lovely tutorial video which you're currently watching, but you have instructions as well if you need it. We get some polishing cloths for the polishing and sealing, get 2 grades of sandpaper, P3000 and P5000. We don't recommend anything more than that because you'll completely remove the clear lacquer on the headlights, meaning they'll go yellow worse and quicker than they did before. For polishing cloths, tube of the polish. You get 2 polishing applicators, 2 sachets of sealant, and you get the block for the sandpaper, which is right here. This is a kit for 2 vehicles or doing your car twice, so 4 headlights basically. So it's great value for money. First step, sanding. First of all, we're going to start with the 3000 sandpaper, and we're just going to start leveling off this horrible oxidization. We need to keep the headlight wet while we're sanding. I'll just have some plain water in here. Just let the headlight moist, and then I'll take the sandpaper and we can just start leveling off. After the first stage of sanding with a 3000, if it's drying while you're sanding, just keep adding more water. You want to keep it moist. We can take one of the polishing cloths that's supplied and we can just dry this off. Removing that, you can see the oxidization and stuff from the dead clear coat and stuff. We're going to have a bit of a matting effect. Now we need to move to the second step of sanding, which is the 5000 grit, which are these little dots here. So it's a finer grade of sandpaper just to level it off and remove any deeper marks left by the previous. So again, we wet the headlight and we go with this one. We need to wipe off the excess from that sanding step. Next step is polishing. Take the headlight polish and one of these little polish applicators, and we pop some on. And then with medium pressure, we can really start to work it in and remove the sanding marks and get nice clear headlights. So, after polishing, we grab another one of the supplied polishing cloths and we can just buff this off, hopefully to reveal a nice, clear headlight, which, considering the state of these things before, is pretty damn good. Next up is the sealant, and we're going to apply this with, again, another supplied polishing cloth. Like I said, it has everything in the kit. This is enough to do 2 headlights. It's in a sachet, so you just open the sachet and it's a liquid, but we'll just pour this, half of it, onto the polishing cloth, and then we will just apply this to the headlight. There we go. So we'll leave that a minute or 2 and then we'll buff off. Last step, we need to remove the sealant with, I bet you guessed it, one of the supplied polishing cloths. Lovely. What a difference from what it looked like before. A super easy to use DIY kit. You can use it home, outside, whenever you want. Sanding, polishing, sealing. Enough for 2 vehicles, 4 headlights. I mean, it's fantastic. And actually in the UK, it's actually an MOT failure to have faded headlights. So we've just got this through the MOT. Perfect. We have loads of other videos on our channel. Check them out. Like, subscribe, comment, all of those things, please. And I'll see you on another video.